I thought this was my butt crack. Not really, I'm not a fan. You know, of course with the Fashion Nova style, your peach is gonna look juicy, okay? Hey girl, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla. Today's video is going to be a Fashion Nova try-on haul, which I'm really excited about because I've never done a clothing try-on haul at all on this channel. We all know Fashion Nova as the Insta Baddie brand on Instagram, and girl, I am excited to try out some of these clothes, okay? If you guys haven't already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the K-Bae family, and also hit that like button because it'll really help me out. And without further ado, let's get into this haul. Just to give you guys some reference, I am 5'7" and a half. I take the half, thank you very much. And I do weigh 150 pounds. I am a size 7, so if you guys are interested on like sizing, I am a size 7. Am I completely happy with how my body is? No, we're gonna work on it. But hey, your girl got some butt, so I'm happy about that, okay? We'll take that, we'll take that. You guys have a little bit of curves, then these, you know, pants are gonna be great for you. So these are the first, my first 2 items. So this top I got because I really wanted to start doing more of like Instagram outfits. See, the thing is I don't have a style, so I really wanted to just like pick one that I really like and then go with that. So I was thinking like Instagram baddie / glam / I don't know, because I like grunge a lot, but like there's just a lot of outfits that I just cannot, you know, I'm just like, I don't really feel that. I want like a mix between girly and grunge, and I haven't quite found a style like that yet. And I was like, maybe I could just like create my own style where I do like really grunge things, because I have yet to find an icon that, you know, there's a lot of girly grunge things on there. So you'll see my style change throughout the years because we're still trying to figure it out. But I picked this shirt up, which I really do like. It is a ribbed crop top. Crop tops are my favorite, but I do like this one. Isn't super cropped, but it is still cropped. So it does come up a little bit high. I do like to pick my pants up a little bit. I really want to get some high-waisted jeans that I do not have. I want to get them from Fashion Nova, and I cannot pick one that I really like. Therefore, I haven't purchased any. But I do also have these jeans from Fashion Nova, again, size 7. I really do like this crisscross thing that's happening in the back right here. And we do get, you know, some nice peachy vibes here. That it isn't really sucking me in, but that's okay. You know, it does make my body look good, so I really do like this. I like the wash a lot. These are like a medium blue wash, not super dark because the next ones I'm gonna try on are dark, but these aren't super light either. But I do really like these jeans every day, going out, going to the movies, going grocery shopping, whatever. So yeah, this shirt would be more of like a top that I wear for filming. You can pair these with some Adidas, which I really like, the original ones, original style. You can also do maybe some like Air Force Ones, all white. I'm thinking like white shoes. Sometimes, well, usually what I like to pair it with is Vans. I have my Vans there in the other room, but they're just black and white Vans. Classics, you know, you can't go wrong with that. I love Vans. I've always wanted a pair of Vans, and I finally bought a pair, so there you go. So these are the next pair of jeans that I purchased, and these are their darker wash. These are still a size 7, but they run a little bit tighter, so they do suck everything in a little bit more. But yeah, I feel like with these, if I were to, oh, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, but I still feel like it goes down a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But it's, you know, the bend test, it's fine. I like how the other ones come up on my backside. Like these aren't as high, they're a little bit of a low rise. The other ones are more of a high rise on the back. But I love the wash of these. Sorry, my mirror's over here, that's why I'm looking. I love the wash of these, and I do love how they fit and they suck everything in. So there is that. But also like, darker jeans or darker colors are just gonna make you look more slim. It's gonna hide all the little, you know, like crevices. So black is the best way to go at all times. Again, you can wear these with some Adidas, with some Vans. Because, something I forgot to mention with the other jeans, they are a flared bottom. Both of them are. So I wouldn't really say heels. You could do heels, but I feel like these aren't flared enough for heels. I feel like I would really want like bell bottom jeans for heels to have that moment. But I would say with these, you can do heels. I just don't think, I wouldn't like the way that would look. I would just stick with my Vans, stick with my Adidas, you know. Okay. Not really, I'm not a fan, okay? All the lonjas hanging out, it's weird. I think even if you were fit, this would fit weird because it fits okay here. The material is just not stretchy at all is what I thought it would be. So this is a two-piece set. And by the way, I forgot to mention, I am a size medium, so everything that I get is medium. I don't like it. So yeah, and then as I move around, I notice that it slips. I'm trying to raise it more because there is space right here, like to lift more. But the way that these are made, it's so tight around here. And I know you're gonna be like, well, maybe it's because my legs are thicker. No, I can literally, as I was putting them on my legs, like going up my legs, I could feel it tighter at the bottom, trying to go up my leg, like trying to go up my calf and everything. So, yeah, this isn't what I thought it would be. So this is the no. Not feeling it at all. I wanted to show you guys though how I was planning to wear this. So I had borrowed this jacket from my aunt. This is I was looking for more like of a windbreaker type situation and an oversized one at that. So my aunt has this large Nike windbreaker that I wanted to wear with this. I just throw it like off the shoulder kind of moment. But I just like, I don't know, I don't feel that comfortable in the fabric. It gets so tight. Like, not like sucking me, like not tight as in small, but it's just like it doesn't stretch at all and it feels very rough. I mean, of course I would probably just need to wash it, but like, I don't know. The top is okay. It's also tight too. You would think, I thought it was just gonna be like a sports bra, spandex kind of material, but it is not. So not a fan of this one, but this is how I would have worn it, like this. These are I don't go out with slippers. I would pair it with some Adidas, with some slides if you have any slides, maybe some black slides or gray slides, anything like that. But yeah, this is a hard no. This one I'm excited about. So this is a black dress with ruching on it. The only thing I was worried about, it's hot in this room, so it's fine. But I have this thing with like armpits and like sweating and stuff. You guys ever excessive sweat? Forget what it's called. There's a commercial on it that talks about like excessive sweating or whatever. I have that. So it's not fun wearing long sleeves. Whenever I see a long sleeve, I instantly cringe. But I love how good they look on other people. So I really wanted to get one of these because it's black. So it makes you look more, you know, like, oh, I love this. This hugs in all the right places that I need it to. Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. Look at this. This is a turtleneck. When I had the tag on, I had my boyfriend pull up the zipper and the tag was making it really tight on the neck. So just be aware when you are trying it on that it's not going to be as tight. Yes, it is still a little tight, but it's not as tight. Like, it's still like breathable. I like this. It is a little tight on the elbows right here. Other than that, it hugs in the right place. I had this issue of, and I still kind of do, certain clothes that aren't made for girls like me, where I have like a spacing or like something would be loose right here, like loose back here, and this really just hugs really nicely, and I really like it. This one I love, but the only thing that's not super selling it for me, I mean, you can always buy stuff to like make sure it just stays, so I think I might have to end up doing that with this dress. But this hugs so nicely. This is made of like a spandex material, so it is very slimming. It does fit super well. Look at that. The only thing I don't like about that, or this, is this slit. If anything, I need to see if I can have this taken in, but it might be, I don't know. So it does right up. It does make it feel shorter than what it is. So as you can see, like, it's not super short, but when I start moving and stuff, yeah, it starts doing this where it slides up. So there's that. I don't like that because, like, I don't mind short. I just don't want to feel uncomfortable to where, like, you know, your hoo-ha's gonna be like flying out at any given moment. I want to make sure that I'm secure and I'm, you know. These did come with boot covers. Not a fan of them. I'm not gonna throw them on. But if you guys are curious, they come with matching boot covers, same print. This is a snake print, multicolored. I saw it on the website and I instantly fell in love. And honestly, I would love to wear this somewhere. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Look at this. You know, of course, with the Fashion Nova style, your peach is gonna look juicy, okay? I would like to wear a faja with this because I would like for this right here, the pancita needs to go in. Okay. Oh my gosh, if they sold this in like a bodysuit that I can wear pants over. Ooh, imagine this. Ooh, girl. It is hot because of the type of fabric it is. Like, I'm in here, I don't have the fan on, mainly because it does some weird thing that freaks me out. It's hot, so I would just keep that in mind. You'll probably be sweating, but it won't show. So yeah, you'll be able to feel it. It hugs me in the right places. I love that it has thumb holes. I forgot to mention that. I absolutely love things with thumb holes. Super, super cute. I love that. Fashion Nova, you were doing so well up until this dress. So it fits nice. I just have a few issues. So we have the issue of one, this, how it doesn't, it's just, you know, it's not snatched like on the other dresses that I was wearing. And then B, I feel like you can see through it. I don't know if it's the lighting, because if I look in the mirror, I can't see anything. When I'm looking in the viewfinder, I am seeing nothing but like belly button and underwear. I love the sparkle. Do have to say though, when I first got it, and I'm still getting this now, it's glitter. So it literally is just glitter everywhere. So just be aware if you guys do purchase this. This would be for me a birthday dress. So if you're, you know, looking at this for your birthday, I would say go ahead and get it, girl. But if you have this issue and this bothers you, then unless you know how to take it in and fix it, if you can, I don't sew, I'm not a sewer, I don't know. If that bothers you, then I would say steer clear, because then look. Oh, it is see-through. Bitch, it's see-through. I'm confused. Wait, is it? Oh, girl, that's just the seam, okay? I thought this was my butt crack. The seam makes you look like it, but, and I can see the underwear. It does not give you that curvilicious look like the other dresses do. So if you guys are looking for more of like a, you know, figure fitting, curvy kind of dress, I would say either of those two. I do want to keep trying more dresses to try and get like I love glittery dresses. So anything like glitz, glam, absolutely love it. I would say this would be a nice birthday outfit, but again, either go commando or an extra slip, because it's weird because it does have a slip underneath. So I'm just, you know, wear an extra slip underneath. There's ways to get around this, okay? The last item that I purchased were these sunglasses. I actually bought two orders of sunglasses, or 2 orders. I got 2 separate sunglasses, but the other ones are, I think, are in my car. Don't feel like going and getting them. But I did order these, which are giving me like sporty vibes. Absolutely love it. They're rose gold. Super cute. Like, I can't. I'm busy. Like, don't bother me. I'm unavailable right now. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh. I love these. These are so cute. Look at these. My workman was like, I don't know how I feel about them, but I love them. They're so cute. I think they look cute. Anyway, that is it for this try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do have to say that I really did like majority of the clothing. The only 2 items the one item I didn't really like, well, technically 2. So it was the biker shorts and the sports bra thing set that wasn't, I don't know, it just wasn't to my liking at all. And another thing that I have to say too about sets is that I wish that they would allow you to pick sizes. I wish that they didn't sell them together, because sometimes people have big thighs or big butts and a small chest like myself, so a medium up top won't fit as well as a medium bottom will. Does that make sense? So aside from that, I really liked everything else. The only other piece that I was just a little disappointed with was the sparkly dress. Aside from the issue of it not being super cinched and it also being possibly see-through, I think when I'm editing it, I'm gonna be like, yeah, it's see-through. But like in person, it doesn't look see-through, so I don't know. But aside from those 2 things, I really did love it. Oh, also, when it came out the packaging, when it was glitter everywhere, I would just be cautious if you do purchase that item that you open it somewhere where you don't want to get glitter everywhere. I do think that a lot of the items are true to the picture online. It's not kind of like Shein or no, Romwe and Shein, where you have to look through the reviews to see if you're gonna get the item that's on the picture. I think as far as reviews on Fashion Nova, it'd be more so like fitting or like texture of certain clothing, because everything looked exactly as it did on the picture. However, so like the biker short set. It looked like it does in the picture, but it doesn't fit like it, you know, it doesn't feel and fit like I wanted it to. So, and I would be excited to do another haul like this. So if you guys would like to see another one, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up so I know to do more like this, and also hit that subscribe button to join the K-Bae family and be notified when I do more try-on hauls like this one, because I do have another one coming. It is a pretty little thing, just to let you guys know. That'll be up at the end of the week. So yeah. Alright, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys.